If you've been locked out of your Wise account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these straightforward steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Wise login page. Go to the official Wise website and navigate to the login page. Look for the option that says Forgot your password or Need help logging in. Step 2. Request a password reset. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Check your email. Open your email inbox and look for the password reset email from Wise. If you don't see it in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. Click on the link provided in the email to proceed. Step 4. Create a new password. Follow the link to the password reset page. Enter a new password that meets Wise's security requirements. Confirm the new password by entering it again, then submit the changes. Step 5. Log in with new credentials. Return to the Wise login page and enter your email address along with the new password you just created. You should now be able to access your account without any issues. By following these steps, you can successfully reset your login credentials and regain access to your Wise account. If you continue to experience issues, consider reaching out to Wise customer support for further assistance.